Master Station, a designated assembly point for crew member in case of emergency. Located on the boat deck or upper deck, equipped with essential safety gear. Emergency procedure. Fire alarm. Contain the fire, evacuate the area, and report to Master Station B. General alarm. Stop non-essential activities, proceed to Master Station B and prepare for emergency response. 3. Abandon ship alarm. Proceed to Master Station, life jackets, and board lifeboats. 4. Man overboard signal. Throw life rings, activate the alarm, and prepare the rescue boat. 5. CO2 alarm. Evacuate the area, report the alarm, and wear SCBA if necessary. 6. Engineer call. Report to the engine room, assess the situation, and take correctively action. 7. Cargo hold flooding. Contain the full flooding, activate the alarm, and prepare for emergency response. Pollution prevention. Report spill, contain the spill, and notify nearby vessel and authorities. 9. Emergency room flooding. Contain the flooding, activate the alarm, and prepare for emergency response. Importance of training and drills. Familiarity with emergency procedures. Number 2. 1. Effect the communication. 3. Teamwork and coordination. 4. Equipment and operation. 5. Emergency preparedness. 6. Reduce response time and improve decision making. 8. Enhance situational awareness. 9. Compliance with regulation.